Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Abrais here. Today I'm going to design a hijab cap for summer. You can use it in winter as well. So let's start. Here I have a square fabric, hijab pins and the fabric scissors. I'm using hijab pins. You can use the fabric pin and common pin as well. We will use these pins for fix the fabric. Why we fix the fabric? We fix because when we cut and stitch the fabric it will not move, so we will use pinning after removing all the bubbles and align the fabric like this. Look, I'm removing all the bubbles with very soft hand and fixing pinning, so you can use this method as well. I'm fixing randomly, not in an exact manner. Okay, I think it's done. Now after fixing the pinning, we will cut the sharp edge into the scarf design. See, here we have a triangle fabric. Now I am using the fabric scissors to cut the sharp edge into rounded shape like this. So we have a scarf shape now. Now we will cut the strips for tie the hijab cap. Actually I have a long hair, that's why the size of hijab cap is so big. You can use small size. Now I'm going to align again, then I will cut all the white and the raw fabric like this. Now I have the rounded shape of the scarf. See? Now I'm pinning for the stitching line. After the pinning, we will stitch the scarf outline and flip in the outward side. We will stitch this fabric. We will start it from here and then stitch all around. Okay, it's done. Alright, now we have the fabric like this, and now I'm going to fixing the elastic in the bottom side. Here we have this elastic. I'm going to fixing pleats on the one side. You can fix them Actually, it's a design line for more beauty. The cap, you can add pleats in the center or in the left side as well. So here I have a embellishment material box, a needle with the thread, and some flowers for the embellishment. I'm using 3 flowers. You can use 3 or more. It's totally depends upon you. So if you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and give your suggestion in my comment section. If you want to see my upcoming videos, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.